Hello, I would like to show you the dmpview tool, which can be used to display binary files like dumps, or you can also use it for reverse engineering other files that you're interested in to see for any patterns or repetitions. What it does is you can call it like this, dmpview, and then give it a file name for a file. And then it will display the contents of that file as a binary file. How does this work? Let's take a look. Let's give it an example like this. What we did was to create a file name convention where you put the horizontal width of the image in bytes into the file name. So for example, this image has a width of 16 bytes, and therefore we put 16b in there into the file name. And when we open it, dmpview automatically extracts the width from the file name and displays the image accordingly. Okay. You can also use this for larger files. So let's take a look at the huge file. In this case, it will take a while to load it all. Here it is. I will see whether I can get it scaled properly. Yeah, that should do it. So that's the whole image. And you can double click on the image, then you get the ImageMagick menu, and there you can do various things like cropping it and so on if you want to, or saving it into a different file. Lots of possibilities there. If you open it, so usually it opens up an image pane. So if you go there, if you go to the original size in that window, then what it does is it opens up a second pen window, that's this one, and inside that pen window you see a little rectangle, and you can, I hope you can see it on the video, and you can take that rectangle and move it around, and as you can see, we can then move around the whole image. So in this image on the left side we have a huge area with lots of dots, and on the right side we have this diagonal line, and we can move around the whole image and take a look at it all. To quit it, just press the Q button and it will close again. Yes. At the moment, dmpview requires ImageMagick, and it not just displays the file directly, it also tells you how to convert it to other files. So if you want to convert it to PNG, for example, you can just take this command line, enter it, run it, and you will get a PNG file. It will take a little while depending on the size of the image. And then, for example, you could open it up with GIMP. And here we have the same image in GIMP. Here we can also zoom in and work with it. So you can get your binary files converted, displayed like that. At the moment I've only tested it on Linux. If you want, you can try it. I guess it should run directly on macOS as well. You might be able to install ImageMagick and Perl and run it on Windows as well. I haven't tried that yet. Feel free to try it. Yes, where can you get it? That's, I guess, the most interesting thing. So that's available here on the GitHub page. So I'll put the link in the description below where you can go here. You can either get the dump view over here and you can download it with this button, download the raw file, or you can also download the whole repository. Let's try it and you can see how to do it. And you can save it here, or you could also download the whole repository, and then you have many other cool tools, and you can download it as a zip file, for example, or if you're used to Git, then you can clone the repository directly. And there you get the zip file, and that you can then use. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to leave any comments. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.